In today's video, we will be comparing two popular rice cookers, the Zojirushi nitrogen monosulfide ZCC10 and the COSORI rice cooker. We'll explore their unique features, specifications, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your kitchen. Let's dive in. When it comes to capacity, the Zojirushi nitrogen monosulfide ZCC10 can hold up to 5.5 cups of uncooked rice, making it ideal for smaller households or individuals. In contrast, the COSORI rice cooker offers a larger capacity of 10 cups, which is perfect for families or meal prepping. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your cooking needs, especially if you often cook for a group. The Zojirushi nitrogen monosulfide ZCC10 is designed primarily for cooking rice, featuring multiple settings for different types of rice. However, the COSORI rice cooker stands out with its impressive 18 cooking functions, including options for steaming, sautéing, and slow cooking. This versatility makes the COSORI a more multifunctional appliance, catering to a variety of cooking styles and preferences. Price is another significant factor to consider. The Zojirushi nitrogen monosulfide ZCC10 comes with a premium price tag of $301, reflecting its advanced technology and features. On the other hand, the COSORI rice cooker is much more budget-friendly at just $99, making it an attractive option for those looking for value without compromising on functionality. This price difference could influence your decision based on your budget and cooking needs. In conclusion, both the Zojirushi nitrogen monosulfide ZCC10 and the COSORI rice cooker have their unique strengths. If you prioritize perfect rice and are willing to invest, the Zojirushi is a fantastic choice. However, if you need a versatile cooker that can handle various tasks at a lower price, the COSORI is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.